Learn with us at Japanese Journey。
皆さん、こんにちは。このチャンネルでは、日本語の勉強をしている皆さんに、無料で日本語のレッスンを公開しています。Hi everyone, welcome to the Japanese Journey channel. In this channel, we provide free Japanese lesson for all Japanese language learners. 皆さん、こんにちは。In this mini lesson, we will go through some basic Japanese greetings and phrases to help you kickstart your Japanese learning journey. Are you ready? Let's get started! In this lesson, Rika will bring us through her daily life. We will learn how she greets the people she meets in different situations. Rika is an office worker. She goes to work during the weekdays. It's Monday, and Rika is preparing to go to work in the morning. At 9 a.m., Rika walks into the office. She greets her manager, Matsuda-san, good morning.
松田さん、おはようございます。おはようございます。
Repeat after me again. おはようございます。おはようございます。Later in the office at 1 p.m., she meets her new colleague, Sato-san. She greets Sato-san.
こんにちは。私は佐藤です。はじめまして。
佐藤さん、はじめまして。
Let's practice how to introduce ourselves using Sato-san's example. Repeat after me. こんにちは。こんにちは。私は佐藤です。私は佐藤です。はじめまして。はじめまして。In the office at 6 p.m., Rika greets her colleague before leaving the office.
松田さん、お疲れ様でした。お疲れ様。
Repeat after me again. お疲れ様。お疲れ様。After work at 7 p.m., Rika arrives at the restaurant to meet her friend, 木村さん。
木村さん、こんばんは。こんばんは。
Repeat after me. こんばんは。こんばんは。But one of their friends arrived 30 minutes later. She was late and she apologized to them.
ごめんなさい。
Repeat after me. ごめんなさい。ごめんなさい。In the restaurant, when the food arrives, before they start eating, they greet each other.
いただきます。
Repeat after me. いただきます。いただきます。All three of them had a wonderful dinner. When they finished, they greet each other by saying,
ごちそうさまでした。
Repeat after me. ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさまでした。After the meal, they continued to stay until 9 p.m. Before they leave each other, they said goodbye.
さようなら。またね。
They mentioned two phrases here. Let's go through them again. Repeat after me. さようなら。さようなら。またね。またね。Rika reached home at 10 p.m. Before she goes to bed, she greets her mom.
お母さん、おやすみなさい。
Alright, 皆さん。Let's go through all of the greetings again. おはようございます。 おはようございます。おはようございます means good morning. It's the formal way to say greet a stranger, someone elder, or more senior than you. こんにちは。こんにちは。こんにちは means hello. If you meet someone around your house or your friend in the cafe, say こんにちは。It can also mean good afternoon. はじめまして。はじめまして。はじめまして means nice to meet you. This is useful when you are meeting someone new. お疲れ様。お疲れ様。お疲れ様 means great job. You can say this to your colleagues when you are about to leave work. こんばんは。こんばんは。こんばんは means good evening. You can use this to anyone during the evenings. ごめんなさい。ごめんなさい。ごめんなさい means I am sorry. You can casually say ごめんね to your close friends too. いただきます。いただきます。In Japanese culture, we say いただきます before meals. We are thankful for the lives of any kinds of food and those who took care of the food from farming, delivery, to cooking. Because food is life. ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさまでした。In Japanese culture, we say ごちそうさまでした after meals. The meaning is same as いただきます。さようなら。さようなら。さようなら means goodbye. You can casually say またね or bye bye to your close friends too. おやすみなさい。おやすみなさい。おやすみなさい means good night. You can also casually say おやすみ to your close friends or family. This time, I will pause and let you read out loud. Let's run through the Japanese greeting phrases again. おはようございます。おはようございます。こんにちは。こんにちは。はじめまして。はじめまして。お疲れ様。お疲れ様。こんばんは。こんばんは。ごめんなさい。ごめんなさい。いただきます。いただきます。ごちそうさまでした。ごちそうさまでした。さようなら。さようなら。おやすみなさい。おやすみなさい。Congratulations! You have learned how to greet in Japanese. Thank you so much for joining us today. If you like to learn more Japanese, check out our playlist. See you soon! またねー